Hello, amazing first grade learners. This is Mrs. Jimenez, and we're going to review the letters and sounds that you're going to see on Friday's spelling test. Let's go ahead and get started. Be sure to echo after me. G and goat, G and goat, G, G. H and hat, H, H. And monkey, and monkey, M, M. T and tent, and tent, T, T. And nest, and nest, N, N. Balloon, B and balloon, B, B. And lion, L, L. P and pig, P, P. I and inch, I, I. O in overalls, O, O. I in ice, I. A in apple, A, A. E in elephant, E, E. K in duck, C, K. Bull and block, B, L. St and star, S, T. Our first word is go. Count your sounds. G, O. Go, 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 go. High, I, high. High, high, high. Am, am. Get, get. Him, him. Ten, ten. Best, best. Help, help. Pick, pick. And here we have 3 sounds, but that doesn't mean we only have 3 letters, because remember, a digraph is 2 letters that come together to make one sound. Black, black. Our first heart word is you, where the Y says its sound, but the OU is the heart part that we have to know by heart. Our next heart word is what. And in the word what, the only one that's making its sound is the letter T. We haven't learned about digraph WH. Remember, whenever you're writing sentences, to use your complete sentence checklist. Start with the capital letter, end with punctuation, use finger spaces, and always use your best handwriting. Our first sentence says, get a can of clams. Our next sentence is a question. What can you print? It starts with a capital letter, it ends with a punctuation, and in this case, a question mark. It has spaces, and be sure to use your best handwriting. Let's do a quick review of the sounds and the letters for Friday's test. G and goat, G, G. And hat, H, and monkey, M, M. T and tent, T, T. N and nest, N and nest, N. B and balloon, B and balloon, B. O and lion, O and lion, L. P and pig, P. I and inch, I. O and overalls, O. I and ice, I. A and apple, A. E and elephant, E. Digraph CK says k and duck, CK. Bull and block, BL. St and star, ST. I hope this helps you get ready for Friday's test. Happy studying!